It's Julie, Jujusparklebean. Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see everybody. Well, I have an unboxing that has literally taken me, I am not kidding, 4 days to make this video because I had to get mentally ready to open this beautiful package from guess where? Julia Bags. So if you're interested in seeing my unicorn handbag, the bag that I have just been waiting for to open for you guys, you have to stay tuned. Okay, so let's be serious. Let me read to you from a website what this bag entails. So this is a Chanel Iridescent caviar chevron quilted flat bag, and it is in a classic style. It is crafted with caviar leather and light gold. So it has an iridescent rosy finish to it. And so it'll feature leather threaded silver chain link, but I believe this is going to be gold, and has an exterior rear flap, pocket, and open flap front with the classic CC turn lock. So the flap opens to an iridescent light pink leather interior with zipper and patch pocket. This is a very nice bag, you guys. I'm so excited to open this for you. I am just so excited. So anyways, I hope that I don't take too long and bore you. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so why should anybody save their coins and buy from Julia Bags? And I'll go ahead and tell you why. First of all, top quality, affordable best prices. When you think about that, this bag technically came out in 2017. So if you were to go ahead and get this bag that I'm about to open on the pre-loved market, you probably be paying close to almost $8,000. Yeah, so keep that in mind. And then also they do DHL shipping. So you would generally get your package literally in less than a week. Whereas if you were to go ahead and find something maybe similar on DHgate, you're not going to even be sure that the quality is even as nice as this. So they use real leather when I say top quality. So their products are the best quality on the market. Okay, so keep that in mind. So I know it seems like it's a lot. If you were to go on DHgate, I'm sorry, Julia, on her bag, on her website, it may shock you because the bags are expensive when it comes to bags. When you think about Chanel bags and how they keep going up in price, who can really afford paying that much money for a bag? I mean, realistically, $8 grand is a lot of money, you guys. We all know that. So here it comes in this box. I'm going to take out the plastic. And so they package it really well. I'm gonna open it. Sorry. I have one of these creaky chairs in my kitchen. They fold, so sorry if my chair does that weird creaky sound. And here we go. Here it is. So here's the bag. I'm sorry, the box. And it's like this. Nice box. I can already smell it. And let's go ahead and open it. What beautiful packaging. So it comes in a very beautiful dust bag that says Chanel. I'll go ahead and open this for you. I should say for us. So excited. does such a great job packaging this. I love this. I'm going to unbox this. And also what comes with the bag, of course, is the, these are receipts. Has a authenticity card. Say that 3 times fast. And also the Chanel care card that comes with it, or brochure that comes with taking care of leather bags. So let's go ahead and put that aside. So you've got this great box to go ahead and store your beautiful bag that you made an investment in. I'm just going to go ahead and put that right there for now. So here she is. This beautiful dust bag. So let's go ahead and unveil her. So you guys, this bag I've been waiting for. I saw it on her website and I thought I need to save and acquire this particular bag. I saw another YouTuber make a video on this, and I think she had uploaded that video probably in 2017, and she called it her unicorn bag, and I just love the way she said that. It just kind of stuck with me because of the color. So you'll go ahead and see that. So here she is. So excited, you guys. Look how beautiful this bag is. Look how she just shimmers in the light. It is gorgeous. It has an iridescence to it. It glimmers and shimmers. It is just like a unicorn. And depending on how the light shines on this bag, you have different shades, different glimmers of which the chevron leather captures that shows up in your eyes. So here she is, my beautiful iridescent chevron Chanel handbag from Julia Bags. So she is gorgeous. I love how it has like that holographic look to it. The hardware is gold, as you can see. It's carefully covered with plastic. It is just such a stunning bag in person, you guys. It is just so beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and open it for you. And you can see how well it is packaged. It has the fabric, this really nice felt fabric inside to protect the bag from the hardware. And it is just the quality. If I could tell you, the smell is exquisite. It is leather. This is a leather handbag. So there's the opening. Inside the bag, you can see the opening of inside. And as I had described earlier, this bag has the pockets inside on the back wall. It has the little separation where you can go ahead and put like your lipstick. And it has the authenticity card inside the bag. You have the front pocket here. There is also another interior pocket, as we all know, that you can slip items in the back here as well. It has also the iconic zipper here that Chanel would hide her love letters from her lovers. And it's just a beautiful handbag. It is just stunning. Then you've also have the back pocket here. And so this is my unicorn bag, you guys. I know, something different from what I usually get. I usually get like a black handbag. Majority of my handbags are black from Chanel. I do have a real black Chanel caviar leather with silver hardware that my husband got me, and I don't use the bag. I'm just mortified that I'll either A, lose it, B, someone will steal it from me, or something will get on the bag or damage to the leather or something. So I do probably use that bag maybe once or twice a year. I know it sounds really crazy, but that bag that he got me is very sentimental to me, and I just prefer to use my other bags when I do go out. So here is the, I want to go ahead and show you the quality of the chain handle on this bag. So I prefer, honestly, the gold hardware on this particular color of this bag. I think that the gold on the iridescent pink is just stunning. And I just wanted to also bring this out because it really stands out to me, is that the chain handle is carefully wrapped in the same nice material that's like this soft felt material on the chain hardware, on the chain handle. So you could tell that this is just meticulously really well wrapped and well packaged for their customers. I'm just going to go ahead and show you up close how beautiful she is. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off the chain. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is just stunning, you guys. It just blows me away. The quality of the bag is just amazing. It's very difficult to go back to getting bags from DH Gate when you have a bag like this that comes through for you, that you've saved your coins for, and you know, it makes it so worth it to wait and get the bag that you really want, your dream bag. So I did go on, I think it was Fashion File, and they have this bag, and it is pre-loved, I believe, because that's how Fashion File works, and the bag is like over $8,000. I was like, whoa. Okay. So here is the chain handle. The leather chain handle. So as you can see, the leather, the iridescent leather, runs through the chain. So this is the same color as this bag, as the bag is. So when you're carrying this bag, ladies, look at that. The chain is, the leather is also going through the chain, so that beautiful iridescent color of the bag is running through the chain of the handle that you'll wear on your shoulder. It is just gorgeous. Would I highly recommend this bag to you guys? Absolutely. She is beautiful. She is worth every single penny. Everything about her is gorgeous. She is, from the turn lock to the gold hardware to the iridescent caviar leather, the chevron design. It is just a stunning, stunning handbag. Okay, so, all right. I'm just gonna open her up one more time so you can see. Look at how beautiful she is. I'm just wow. I love this. Okay, well, I also wanted to share with you something also very, very cool. So I'm gonna put her right here. Okay. I also got this package today from DHgate. Where's my scissors? Oh, here it is. Okay. So let's see what these are. Cut with my trusty scissors. Oh my, he's so cute. These are some earrings that I got from a seller on DHgate, and they're itty bitty little Chanel earrings. Look how cute they are, you guys. So I love them because they're like these little small earrings, and you couldn't really tell online what they were going to look like. So this is what they look like on the website. And these are so cute. Look at those. You have the little CCs, and then you've got this blingy part here. And so you've got, oh, this is so adorable. Check this out. So let's say, for instance, I'm gonna try these out for you. So I have a pair of earrings on right now. Of course, they're Chanel earrings. And they look like that. They're cute. But look at these. So you can go ahead and I have a piercing right here, which is great. I filmed the camera higher up this time around, and I thought maybe it would be better to go ahead and capture the handbag for you and more of the film, the camera, and the angle, but I don't know. I feel like you're just kind of far away from me. So these earrings are so cute. I'm not sure if the seller's still on DHgate, but look at that. Check it out. And then I've got my main hole, I've got a second hole, and then I've got this third hole right there. And the little chain is hanging down. And so it's setting, because you can also probably, not sure, but there you go. Excuse my squeaky chair. I'm going to get a little closer to you to see, so you can see what this looks like on. So as you can see. Cute, huh? All right, so those are those earrings. I hope you like those. I can't wait to really look at them up close, but I will. Okay, so if you are new and you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get the notifications when I do post a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I really appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. It makes me so happy. If you'd like to talk to me, please send me a message, direct message me on my Instagram. I will generally respond back to you within 24 hours, and just love hearing from you guys. So thanks for watching today. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.